Zhuhai Jihujisheng Industrial Company Limited is a leading global manufacturer of lightweight aluminum cups. Our factory has passed ISO 9001 firsts, 22,000 certification. After years of research, our company successfully developed environmentally friendly aluminum metal materials in 2021 and conducted research on end products, developing disposable aluminum cup products. Among them, the aluminum cup breaks the industry's conventional thickness of 1.0 mm, and the thinnest can reach 0.16 mm, which is incomparable to other companies, and the only lightweight aluminum cup company in the world that supports customized shapes and colors. In 2023, the founder of the company was invited by the CCTV Discoverers program team to shoot a documentary to promote to all customers the use of environmentally friendly aluminum cups and protect the environment. This is a great moment. Our company's aluminum cups are gradually replacing disposable plastic cups due to their advantages of 100% recycle, formaldehyde, and BPA-free. Aluminum cups will not come into contact with toxic and harmful substances throughout the entire production process, providing customers with safe and reliable beverage cups. Our products are sold to more than 10 developed countries including the United States, Mexico, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, etc. All aluminum cups have passed the US Food Grade Certification and EU Food Grade Certification. Our main cooperative clients include well-known brands such as Coca-Cola, Corona Beer, Red Bull, Heineken Beer, and Blue Ribbon Beer. We participated in the formulation of the national standard for metal materials of food cans in China.